Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to set up Windows Sandbox on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to configure or set up Windows Sandbox, then I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to click on this Start menu, then type here Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. Here you will find Programs. If you are unable to see this type of window, here you can see VY option. In this you need to select Category. After selecting Category, here you will find Programs. Just click on this Uninstall a program. In left side you can see Turn Windows feature on or off. You just need to click on this. You have to scroll down. You can see here Windows Sandbox. You have to check mark this option, then click OK. You have to wait for some time to complete this installation process. After completion of this, once you have to restart your PC. After completion of this restart, you just need to click on Start menu again, then type here Windows Sandbox. I had not restarted my PC, so it's not showing here. After restarting, it will be visible here. That's it guys. So in this way you can configure or set up Windows Sandbox on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.